Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Uh, Today we are going to discuss something out of the box. Maybe they will ask in physics this type of questions. So today we will deal with very important questions from exam point of view. So the today's title is frequency of infrasound, audible sound and ultrasound. So the question is, the sound waves having frequency below audible range is called as infrasonic wave, ultrasonic wave, sound wave or light wave. So at the end of this lecture we will see answer of this question. So see, if your sound is infrasound which is having frequency below 20 Hz. See, the unit of sound is Hertz. Remember that. If your sound is audible sound, then the frequency ranges between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, and if sound is ultrasound, then the frequency is greater than 20,000 Hz. So the answer is, the sound waves having frequency below audible range is called as infrasonic wave. So those who are new to our YouTube channel, we would like to inform that we have arranged Agricultural Engineering Mock Test Series 2022 for the MCAER PGCET examination, ICAR PG examination and TNPSC Assistant Engineer examination. So only 4 days are remaining for the registration. The registration link is given in description box. So hope you will like this video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.